Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to add a check mark in Excel. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to add a check mark in Excel. Method 1. Insert the tick mark as text. The very first solution you can try is inserting the tick mark as text. For this, you have to choose the cells where you want to insert the check symbols. Go to the font section of the Home tab, and select Wingdings 2 from the font drop-down menu. Type a capital P, caps lock plus P or shift plus P, in the selected cell. This will display the check symbol. You can increase or decrease the font size. Method 2. Insert the tick mark as a symbol. Another way to insert a check mark symbol, or any symbol for that matter, in Excel is using the symbol dialog box. Navigate to the Insert tab on the toolbar. Click on the Symbols section. Then select Symbol. In the Symbols window, ensure the Wingdings 2 font is selected. Choose the check symbol from the options available, and click Insert. Please note that for the tick mark, Unicode name is Wingdings 252 and character code is 252. Fix worksheet related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to add a check mark in Excel in 2 easy ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.